This video explains how to install KESD products. After opening the product packaging box, the door switch handle body is located. When the product is unpacked, the operation key is detached. Please tighten the operation key using a screwdriver. Attach KESD M-type product to the body. Assuming you have a panel that you want to mount the mating product to, referring to the outline drawing of the product. Enclosed screws and drill the grooves for the nuts and mount the product. The product is joined for further fine-tuning. Tighten the screws with some slack. Tighten the screws with a little leeway. Please install it according to the direction of the operation key. Screw the product head to the screw on the top of the head. Unscrew the 4 screws to reverse the orientation. Once the orientation of the product head and the control keys are aligned, join the handles as follows. Fix the orientation of the handle, then use an Allen wrench to tighten the connection. After the handles are securely joined, fine-tune the height and orientation of the product. Mount it on the panel to ensure the handle unit fits smoothly. If you have purchased the keyed shutter unit shown in the video, please use the included key to open the shutter. After all parts are aligned, finally secure the product to finish the installation. The product is not powered, so the door cannot be opened by the solenoid. In these situations where power is lost and the product cannot be operated, the product can be operated using the force release button located in the center of the product. If the product is properly seated and locked, you can proceed with wiring and other tasks. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to unlock a product during your work, you can do so by operating the force unlock button described earlier. You can work with the arrow of the reset button turned down, but when power is applied again, the reset button must be reversed to its original orientation, arrow up, to avoid damaging the product. That's how to install and handle the product. Please contact KOINO HQ for more information.